Hello and welcome to Wealth Wise Wisdom. Here we unravel the secrets to financial success and empower.
Master your budget by tracking expenses. Use apps or spreadsheets to visualize where your money goes. It's the first step to financial control. Diversify your investments for a balanced portfolio. Consider stocks, bonds, and real estate. It's a strategy to maximize returns while managing risk. Build a financial safety net. An emergency fund cushions against unexpected expenses, providing peace of mind and stability. Optimize your taxes. Explore deductions, tax credits, and tax-efficient investments. It's about keeping more of what you earn. Set clear financial goals. Whether it's buying a home or retiring comfortably, having milestones keeps you motivated and focused.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.